Today, we'll be going over how to install X6040S on your Honda CR-V. To start, uninstall the plastic panel by removing the 5 clips and the hex screw attaching it to the frame. Next, remove all of the screws in the fender wheel well, as well as the clips so you can remove them off the vehicle. Then, open the trunk of the vehicle and unscrew the hex head screws. Use a pry tool to pop off the wheel well trim and remove the 2 clips located at the bottom and top portion of the fender. Remove the bumper starting from the wheel wells, working towards the center of the vehicle. Make sure to remove the 2 harnesses from the driver's side. Remove the 6 factory bolts to remove the rear cross member. This will not be reinstalled. Assemble your hardware to fish them through the appropriate holes so you can mount your hitch. You may find it easier to feed the coiled end through first, and then work backwards with the hardware. Once you get everything into place, start to torque down your bolts down to the indicated foot-pounds. This is not shown here, but you'll want to refer to your instructions for the proper measurements to trim an access port in your bumper to utilize your hitch. Then, reinstall all the previous steps in the reverse order. Once everything is back on and you want to use your hitch, simply insert the receiver portion into your cross tube with the provided hardware.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torquelift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.